Hello and welcome to today's video dedicated to household tools. We will be presenting a variety of tools that everyone needs in their homes to carry out daily tasks. So let's get started. The first tool we will talk about is the hammer. It's a key tool in any household tool set and is used to secure things to walls, such as pictures and shelves, among other things. It can also be used to remove items. The second tool is the screwdriver. The screwdriver is used to remove and fasten screws in furniture, doors, windows, and many other things. The third tool is the hand saw. This tool is used for cutting wood, metal, plastic, glass, and many other materials. It can be used for carpentry and general maintenance around the house. The fourth tool is the electric screwdriver. It's an essential tool for anyone who wants to do maintenance work around the house. This tool is used to quickly and easily fasten and remove screws. The fifth tool is the electric saw. This tool is used to cut wood, metal, plastic, and other materials quickly and easily. It can be used for carpentry and general trimming around the house. The sixth tool is the electric drill. It's an important tool for securing things to walls, such as shelves and furniture. Among other things, it's also used for drilling holes in wood, metal, plastic, and stone. The last tool is the cordless screwdriver. This tool is used to fasten and remove screws quickly and easily without the need for electricity or wires. These are some of the essential tools that everyone needs in their homes. We hope the video has been helpful to you and that you can use these tools easily in your daily tasks. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to ask them in the comments section below. Don't forget to leave your comment and subscribe to our channel for more great videos about home, life, and more creative ideas. Thank you.